course, PLDT wants to take home the trophy. And nakita ko mukhang nandyan nga ang kanilang superhero,
Yes.
si Alyssa Valdez in uniform. And tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin today at maglalaro ba ng todo-todo, di ba, in this match.
First. And at number 2, Alyssa Valdez. This is game 2 of the finals for the gold. Good luck to both teams.
And yes, na Philippine Army, alam natin ang game attitude nitong mga to. So, sabi ko nga lagi, no, yung conscious effort kasi talaga yan dun sa depensa sa kabilang side eh. Na dapat tatandaan mo palagi kung sino kaliwete.
And Alyssa Valdez in the meantime scores here for PLDT from the back row. I swear I can't hear myself.
Oo, and
Sabi ko na naririnig ko na Freeman, kailangan control talaga yung
Tama.
first ball mo.
they're almost a sure point
Right.
for PLDT.
Valdez off the block. Hindi na inabutan ni Maranyo. Palitan ng puntos dito. This is just set number 1.
Na binigay nila no, sa Ultera.
Salak will go to Bautista off the block. Picked up by Pantone. Valdez scores off the block.
Ula. Philippine Army with 1 block point. PLDT doubling that with 2 at this point.
Salak gets the first touch of that. Akala ko papalo na to si Tine. Getting ready for the attack.
Pwede. Kayang-kaya.
A good reception from Maranyo. Salak set. Oh, Bautista able to keep it alive. Ruby goes to Valdez.
Oh, good save!
The ball is still alive. Valdez once again. Philippine Army not able to keep that one alive now.
And Valdez going cross-court, but ang sarap panuunin itong dalawang komunal, Ivy.
That's right.
Ibang klase.
At yung depensa ng Philippine Army, no, that last rally was it's fun with family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Alyssa Valdez now getting ready to serve for Altera. Good serve. Salak not able to keep it alive. Tied at 4. We're here in set number 2. The championship game, the gold medal match here. Alyssa Valdez for Altera.
Si Coach Tugu, sabi niya, sinabi ko na sa inyo, bata pa yan, alam ko na laro niyan.
And this Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. With speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Valdez was able to keep it alive pero walang support.
Doon sa second ball, it was actually a low ball for Gonzaga, but a playable.
Yeah, that's right. Pwede pa namang mangat eh.
Look at this once again. There you go. No one there for the second ball. Tobino also getting ready for her attack.
Tuloy to react na eh. Alyssa Valdez serving for Altera.
Alyssa Valdez getting an ace.
Bawi. If it's fun family pizza, it's got the Shakey's. Baka narinig ni Tina. Bakit naman sa old school?
Old school. Bataan natin. Super bad.
Alyssa Valdez serving for Altera.
At ito na naman, gantong-ganto ang storya natin ng first set. Tingnan natin if we have a different ending.
Soltones. Blocked by Palma. De Leon goes to Valdez from the back row. Maranyo with a misreceive.
Agad pa rin. 22-20. Naging 23-20.
And that Tina Salak serving for the Lady Troopers.
Nice sure serve from Tina. Nangyayari. So, ito itong Philippine Army, they should really take care of their coverage, partner.
And this is our shake and play. That was a block touch from Remy Palma, and no coverage once again para dito sa Philippine Army. And that seals it for set number 2. So what must now, the Lady Troopers do? Para tingin mo makarecover sila and able to get us a win from the set?
Well, I think it's really focused on the game, partner, because mula nung umpisa pa lang, mula nung first set, I think ang nagiging problema is the coverage. Because they were, ang daming times they were able to put up the first ball, pero walang nagpa-follow up dun sa second ball. Obviously, kasi dahil malalakas pumalo ang
Tubino for the serve. De Leon will give it out to Valdez. Valdez is blocked.
And Valdez.
No coverage. But I think Pantone thought that Valdez was going to hit.
Yes. Hindi niya alam, nag-pray lang pala si Eliza. Sana kunin mo, Pantone. Sana kunin mo, Leslie.
I think Eliza 1-6 serving 7. Good short serve. Roses. Salak gives it to Palma, who's denied by Eliza Valdez.
And a single block.
Sarili niya.
Or nag-falling hair na.
Buti na lang walang book si Coach Pulpo. Maranyo off speed. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Eliza Valdez. Down, but I think she's okay. Let's take a look at what happened. Eliza Valdez collided. Si Sue Roses naman sa ulo naman humawak.
Sabihin ni Sue, buti na lang matigas ulo ko.
Matigas ang ulo ko. Parang walang nangyari.
Bumabalik na sa bench because Eliza Valdez coming back in the game. Seems okay.
Also, Gonzaga for the serve, picked up by Pantone. Sue Roses. Go to Tubino. Tubino with a cross-court hit, but Pantone keeps it alive. They go to Valdez. Drop shot!
Coverage a little bit late on that play. Ang importance at this point, we have a close match right here.
Tina Salak. Valdez.
Ayan na siya.
You know the ball is there. And Altera wins the Shakey's V-League Season 12 Rainforest Conference in fourth.
Parang yung ulo. Pinipigilan na siya. Ikaw na, Ivy. Hug mo si Coach Coco. Ako na muna rito. O si Bianca na lang pahag natin.
Hindi natin kaya yan. Hindi natin kaya yan, friend.
Oo, parang Nara si Coach Coco. Tayong dalawa yung dapat.
Dalawa tayo.
Oh,
and congratulations to PLDT Hope Altera.
And of course, there's always the question, is she gonna pay? Is she not gonna pay? What was your biggest motivation in paying?
Well, syempre, love ko yung sport. Love ko yung mga tao behind this Shakey's V-League and all the people, the fans, and ayan ganun talaga. You're gonna go back to the one thing na gusto mo talaga.
It's all about the love for the game, right?
Sino ang most valuable player ng finals? Siyempre, galing sa PLDT Home Altera, none other than number 2,